Hey guys, so let me go ahead and tell you this story of how a laundromat owner actually got screwed out of a laundromat. Alright, so here's what happened. I recorded a video of this laundromat a while back of how it was ran down, had old machines in there, floor tiles, ceiling tiles. It needed pretty much a U-Haul, pretty much a facelift on this laundromat. There's a great opportunity out there for someone to come in, talk to the owner, and negotiate a great price for this laundromat. But instead of that actually happening, what happened was a guy actually decided to do a completely different strategy, which I'm against. I read in my book, and I even explained in my book that I do not like the strategy where you actually go to the landlord. Well, that's pretty much what he did. He went to the landlord on this laundromat, thinking that he's going to get this laundromat with all the machines in here. Everything's going to be perfectly fine, and he's going to get a free laundromat. So he negotiated a deal with the landlord, a 20-year lease. He put the down payment down, and the landlord served the eviction notice to the current business owner. Pretty much, a current business owner would do just like what anybody else would do, take all their property out. So what happened was, as you can tell in this video, the laundromat is completely empty. I mean, it's a vanilla laundromat. There's no washers, there's no dryers, there's no plumbing, there's no water lines, no electrical. I mean, if you can see, everything is gutted. He took everything he possibly, no boiler. So this is a situation that the new owner just took over by signing that 20-year lease. He's got a vanilla laundromat that he's got to turn around and do build out, new machines, contractors, plumbing, ductwork. I mean, all this money he's going to have to turn around and dump into this laundromat. He's going to have to tear up the concrete just to do the water lines and stuff again. You don't want to find yourself in this type of situation. So definitely go to the owner, negotiate a deal. Do not go to the landlord and try to do a backdoors deal on a situation because you think that's what millionaires do. That is not true. Do your homework, do your research, and you can get your own laundromat. But this is not the way to do it, and I feel sorry for anybody that goes this route. So hopefully this actually helps you guys. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I look forward to you guys' comments. You guys have a good day.